Paano to? Tama. Dara. Napa big bird oh. Na big bird ka.
I got you, big bird. Wow. Tama, Buki.
Look. Oh, water.
Look, ano sa
Sige,
bird?
napak, paano? Dagang yung paano po to.
Another bird. Kanilang ko ano mo pa.
Ayun na, dili pa kami lagi. Ala, feed na pag ili, feed.
Avocado parrot. Uy!
Oh, hot na. Kwata. Oh.
My shoes!
My shoes. Oh, okay. Hold that, hold. Tawa, parrot. Tawa head dada. Tawa head dada. Smile dito. No more head. No, wala.
Dada will help you.
Hold my hand. Come here, help me.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't.
Look at me.
Hi. Look Kuya.
Yay, good job, Buki. Help me, hold. Hold this one. No. Where's the other
Abby, let's take video.
Good job, bird. Huh?
Siblings and 9 years old. They have a spacious of 1.2 hectares area where they can freely roam around and exercise their natural birth skills.
Layo na po tayo.
Take pictures left side, you can stand up. You might be wondering why they are called white lions when they are not entirely white. That's the type. That's because they are not a white.
Another one.
They have a partial association.
Pinahide na yun. Layo na sa paglayo.
Ali, come here.
Wala pa rin tayo bird. Yan, nag-sleep siya.
We got to fly.
Real, ah? Siya, uy. Ano ba ito? Nag-real gito eh.
What's that? What's that? It's an iguana. Iguana.
Video ka ba? Video ba? Video.
Go down, Buki. Go down. Ali, picture ka iguana. Ali, picture ka iguana.
Ah, naras ko ka to. Oh.
Hi, iguana. Hello,
Kita
hi.
lagi ka grill?
It's a real iguana. Ayan.
Alive. Kumari po ta, kika sabot. Dali na mo kay Nono. Nono kay kasabaan tatawag niya.
Chinese naked elephant.
No, what's that, Buki? Big bird. Koko. Iko kato? Ano?
Dali, Ali, dala oh.
Iko kato. Dali na sa ko laki. Sa ko laki.
Look at that.
Look. Iya. Lulu, bilang tuh itu. Nah, hi bird.
Wow. Oh,
Lapod diri kita.
Ay, gani lang sa diri para mupuyo dyan dyan.
Buki. Buki. Unsa na nga fish? Buki, it's a Try. Ang tail.
Portrait ba, te?
Tala na.
When not eating or traveling, they take opportunity to sleep. In fact, they sleep standing up with one eye open. That is Jam's back. Jam's back, also called as King of Kalahari Desert. They are known as their impressive horns that can grow to 85 centimeter long. And that one is Thompson's gazelle. Thompson's gazelle are also known as the fast run. These remarkable speeds help them to evade predators like lions and cheetah. So once again, plain zebra, Jam's back, and Thompson's gazelle.
Say goodbye!
So that one is waterback. Waterback is easily recognizable by the rough coat, long shaggy hair under the throat, and waterback rely on cover to escape predators, and they can reach speed to 50 kilometers. And that one is eland. Eland is the largest antelope species in the world. Both size and weight, they can stand over 5 feet tall at the shoulder, and the base is part of that scene. And that is glassback. Recognized by unusual white markings on their faces, primary active during day, and named after the Dutch term blaze, referring to the white forehead. They have built-in sunscreen, so they have protection heat from the sun. Meter high and cover distances to 12-meter length. So female impala weight around 40 kilograms and male impala weight around 50 kilograms. Male with bare horns, while female
Zebra!
Let's see barbecue. See barbecue.
Ako nga ito, no? Gana, baby. Alligator. Sa tanang ko, kay kadiri, hindi ko makuyawan.
Ako po.
Dali, buki nilip.
Tuy touch, dili touch. Alligator.
Tawa. Super alligator. More, yeah, barbecue.
Oh, more.
See?
Baby alligator. Tara, oh, to water. Tara sa water. Diri siya. Kailangan straight na ko.
Ay, guguking kamot.
Walk, alligator walk.
Walk, alligator, walk.
Ato ta kay daghan diri, daghan.
Wala, nag-open yung mouth, babe.
Okay, na-open ang mouth.
Okay na, open yung mouth.
Tara, oh, open mo tatong one alligator.
Crocodile feeding ma'am sir.
Ha? Pila na?
100 pesos one session.
Pila?
100 pesos.
100 pesos. Okay, may big lang no. May big.
Yes sir, chicken leg is nice.
Ay, yes, I want to see the
Asa, sige. Asa man rin?
Dire. No, dili.
Dili na, nag-eat sila grass.
Tura food tortoise.
Tura o fruits ilaha
Apple,
eat.
eat sila apple now. Eat sila apple ug papaya.
Eat
eat
sila
sila
leaves.
The bookie was.
Sa buki ang biscuit.
Oh, buki lang biscuit. Buki.
Oh, ala.
Dili,
Gito
give
to,
turtle, dili, give
buki,
turtle,
buki mouth. Dili man hungry si turtle.
Hello, big cute tortoise. Look, tama nilantaw ni mong tortoise. Who's that? It's Buki. Big kayo yung shell, no? Big kayo yung shell. Huh? Ala, naglihok.
Ala, ni walk. Ay, ni crawl.
Tawa yapit.
Stretch.
Slowly. Fast.
Fast. Dili ba na sila fast? Fast cheetah na daw to sa papa.
Wala, ito tita. Let's look for tita. Bye-bye, tortoise. Bye-bye.
Ano ka ulan nun?
Tara, cheetah. Tara, cheetah. Okay, look at this. Oh, fresh.
Giraffe, Buki. Buki, giraffe.
Buki,
Where's the giraffe?
i-point ang giraffe, point. Point giraffe. I picture Buki.
I'm gonna know, not there. That's not yours. I'll say hi to the baby. She said baby. I'm gonna know, not there. That's not yours. I'll say hi to the baby. She said baby.
I picture Buki.
I'll just stay here.
Una.
So the best.
Say goodbye, orangutan.
Na, goodbye, orangutan. Bro, orangutan.
Bye-bye, Ramadan.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Bye-bye, pamama. Hi, pamama. Ana, mama. Hi, Nancy.
Lito, ay halubot. Tawa na ay halubot, Buki. Lola, baby na, baby. There's a baby monkey.
Naaw, dili tiger, padool. Come, tiger.
Ano, tambo ka kayo, baby.
Come, tiger.
Kung ano yung hat? Paningot na kayong ulo.
Goodbye,
Tara, tiger. Lala. Tara, ni Dos, tiger. Ni
Goodbye,
Dos.
tiger. Goodbye.
Ni Dos, tiger.
Nambal ang tiger. Paragis niya ikaon ba?
Anong balagyan mo?
Anong balat tayo dyan?
Stop, sleep man sleep. Busog sa sleep. Ano? Ano? Cry siya.
Papa's milk. Mama's. Papa's milk.
Oh my God.
I love you.
Go down?
Dali, go down.
As our fine fun festival showcase their natural behaviors, will invite guest participation and to share important environmental message. But let me ask you again something. Are you ready to be amazed by our fine fun friends? Alright, to start off, let me call our bird to the here on stage, Mr. James, and to welcome our blue and gold Macaulay amigo. So Amigo comes from South America and lives in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to keep his environment clean. We have here 2 sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. Let's have the sample trash and let's see how Amigo clean up this mess. Okay, buddy? Good luck, Amigo. You can do it, buddy. First trash. Okay, so first trash, buddy. He takes a plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the non-biodegradable and he drop it inside. Good bird. Next trash. A plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the same bin and he drop it inside. Good bird. Next trash. A paper box, walks all the way. Now open the biodegradable and what's next? And he drop it inside. Last trash. Last one, buddy. A paper cup, walks all the way. And again, open the same bin and again he drop it inside. Good bird, Amigo. Now see if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put trash inside the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to. That's right, cleanliness. Now thank you so much, Amigo. And thank you so much, Mr. James. Now ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird we have, they're very cute and also very playful. So I need everyone's cooperation to please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds, as they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I here and meet our cute and playful Eclectus parrots named Star and Rio. Together with the mentor, Miss Donna, and still Mr. James. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Eclectus parrots, they are dimorphic type of birds, meaning you can easily identify with some male or a female just by looking at their colors. Male Eclectus have bright green in color just like Rio, and female Eclectus parrots have bright red in color just like Star. So some birds are also known as sun parakeets. They're very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives in the northeastern part of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Okay, thank you so much, Mom. You can now take your very best smile.
Natawa yung head. Natawa head ato. Tama, natawa yung
And
head.
if any reminders for everyone, please remain seated at all times. And please, while taking pictures or videos, please avoid using flash photographies.
Tawa head ato.
Okay, so all set and ready. Ladies and gentlemen, eyes here and feel the love in the air as we have here our couple, son with your name, Ding and Dawn. So second pairs, they are monogamous type of pairs, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that will be the only time they will look for their leg from its beak down to its tail with a wingspan of 45 to 65 centimeters. Now to our two adult volunteers stand still, don't make action movement. We'll do it again one more time. Okay, so Lilo and Luna in 1, 2, 3, and go. And ladies and gentlemen, for their lifespan, they can live up to 20 to 40 years under human care. As once again, they are well provided some food and well taken care of by our doctors and vets here inside Cebu Safari. Now, thank you so much for our two adult volunteers. You may now take your seat. And ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our twin Golfin Kakados named Lilo and Luna. Now, ladies and gentlemen, birds ready? Okay, birds ready. Ladies and gentlemen, count with me again in 3, 2, 1, and go. And Blue and Gold lifespan, they can live to 75 to 80 years under human care. Now, thank you so much our three adult volunteers. Sir White, but it's the eagle named Silver and Fortune. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just about creating fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We would require but they can endanger more than they can. Oh, yeah. I love you more than they can. Now for our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Within this month of May, raise your hands. Okay. So happy birthday all the birthday celebrants. So Lani and Rudy, we have some celebrants here today. What will you do next? Okay, next one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart, just like how humans use their voices. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Mr. Charles. Thank you so much, buddies, and thank you so much, Mr. Charles. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next period we have, since we're right here in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our most handsome Tuca named Mr. Horn. So Tucans are the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. As you can see, it has a white throat and a black feathers on its body that helps them camouflage in the rain. Now, birds of prey are big birds with pointed beaks, sharp talons, and have wide wings. Examples are hawks, kites, eagles, and vultures. I need everyone's cooperation to please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. It is for your own safety, as our next set of birds will go to showcase their extraordinary hunting skills and also their flying styles. And they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. Again, they have very sharp talons and claws. Again, please avoid standing, walking, or running during this ad. And please supervise your kids at all times. If you have foods with you, please keep your foods inside your bag. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our birds as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our first bird of prey, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Let us remain silent, seated, and relaxed as we welcome our eastern grass owl named Bella. Now, eastern grass owl, they are a nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the night time. Did you know when they are flying, they're almost silent? That's because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making them the silent stalkers or silent hunters of the night. Just like any other owls, they can rotate their heads at 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because this bird has a 14-neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot up prey and be aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. They're also called here in the Philippines as huago. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our beautiful grass owl named Bella. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird of prey, they're experts at snatching food from other birds, even in mid-air. Once again, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds, as they will now fly closer and even closer to you guys. It is for your own safety and for the safety of our birds as well. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards snatching prey in flight, our brownie kite's name, Shadow. And wait, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our next brownie kite named Argus. And ladies and gentlemen, there's more. Meet our third brownie kite named Cloud. So brownie kite has the white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its colors they have striking chestnut brown. So brownie kites is not just live prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's what we call as a snatching prey in flight. And brownie kite lifespan, they can live about 30 to 40 years under human care. So brownie kites, they are the real world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. So in the wild, it's not just live prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's what we call as a snatching prey in flight. Now thank you so much for bird players, but wait. We still have one remaining brownie kite. After this ad, let's have one bird leader for everyone's safety. Once again, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch this bird. And still, he will fly closer and even closer to you guys. They will showcase their snatching behavior just like in the wild. Once again, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. So we have here our bird leader, Mr. Jun. Okay, Mr. Jun, are you ready? Okay, all set and ready. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our last brownie kite named Sky. So brownie kites, they practice kleptoparasitism. They love to snatch foods from other birds, even in mid-air. So again, in the wild, this not just live prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's why we call it as a snatching prey in flight. And this medium-sized bird of prey can be found in the skies of Sri Lanka, Nepal, India, and Pakistan. So again, for your lifespan, they can live 30 to 40 years under human care. They also called as the red-backed seagull in Australia, and they're locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. Now, thank you so much, Mr. Jun. Once again, also called as the red-backed seagull in Australia, and they're locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So in the wild, they love gliding, soaring, and flying high up in the sky. That's why here inside Cebu Safari, we have what we call the free flight. We let our birds showcase their natural behavior, just like in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a master round of applause for snatching prey in flight, our brownie kites named Shadow, Argus, Cloud, and Sky. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the medium size of raptors, let's now proceed to the largest bird of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. Once again, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch this bird. But still, they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. We now have the largest bird of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. Okay, I guess we're all set and ready. Ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale. Keep your heads up high for a white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. It has the white plumage of its head down to its other parts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet our next white-bellied sea eagle named Fortune. So these large group range in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania, and Southeast Asia. These birds can grow to 75 to 85 centimeters in length with a powerful wingspan of 180 to 120 centimeters. In the water, you love sea snakes, small turtles, birds, mammals, reptiles, and again small birds. And just to share, the scientific name of this bird is Haliodus lubicaster. Haliodus means white, lubicaster means belly. Actually, to educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Because we believe together, we can make a big difference for wildlife and for a better future generations. And before we open up our show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, we have here Mr. James, Mr. Romnek, Mr. Charles, and Mr. Irvin. And yours truly, my name is KJ. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, yours truly, my name is KJ, saying that thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the night. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to those holding pictures of our photographers, just kindly form a line in the center. We are your official photographers stepping through. If you want to use your phone, just avoid using flash photographies. And guys, this is your chance. It is totally for free. If you want to take pictures or videos of our photographers, just kindly form a line in the center. You can use your own phone, just avoid using flash photographies. To those of you with the White Lion Safari, African Savannah, Birds World, and Camel, just go up and turn to your left side, proceed.
Mudi I know what. Sir, ma'am. Ay, kuya. Look mo lang. Smile. Okay. Okay, look mo yan. Smile. Smile. Come on, come on. Okay.
Ayaw, di abi kay broken ang tiles. Ali, ali.
Ali, kita, ali.
Isa lang, sir.
Oh, talaga. Oh, Ali, hold
Ali,
Buki,
hold
Ali.
dada, hold dada.
Hold dada. Duha ko na ito na mo niya. Hold para lang. Liga, uy. Kawaya.
Ay, wait.
Ayaw ba ako daw?
Buki na, Buki.
Napon, head dada. Head dada.
Buki na,
Tawa,
head dada.
Head dada, Buki. Tawa, head dada.
No,
No, no na.
Mama.
Mama. Mama na po.
Mama na po hold.
Mama, hold on. Hello. Hello. Hello, wala na ni Hawa head dada. Wow. Okay na. Okay na. Yes.
Natulgo na kayo ng
Okay, last na. Wala na ni Hawa oh.
Thank you, bird.
Shoulder daw daw.
What the ring?
Ketawa gitu tinggi.
Dada.
Nasa shoulder ni Dada. Nasa shoulder ni Dada. Oh, ay, ipa-follow. Ipa-follow yung kamot.
Nawala na kita. Dalo na to ni Uli. Okay, ulda na.
More.
Si Moy.
My favorite.
May parrot.
More parrot.
Like one.
Diyan na na si parrot. Ay!
Okay na, ulda na. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, parrot.
Wala ni Kuyog dyan si parrot.
Bye-bye,